Before you see them, imagine the boundary of your home transformed. No longer just a separation, but a canvas of stone and iron, holding the quiet majesty of a garden. Imagine the rough texture of natural rock rising to meet sleek, dark metal. Now, imagine this rugged beauty softened by something unexpected. Old tires, recycled and reborn, painted in a regal shimmer of gold, holding the brightest blooms. It's the meeting point of enduring strength and sustainable art. This isn't just a fence. It's a living gallery, a boundary that blooms. Welcome back to Arkan Aesthetic Studio, your daily escape into the most relaxing and beautiful gardening and home aesthetic ideas. If you're captivated by the idea of turning the ordinary into the extraordinary, hit that subscribe button now. This entire series is dedicated to providing you with soothing visual therapy for your morning coffee or a restful evening break. We upload new relaxation videos every single day. Today, we're unlocking 7 ways to elevate your home's perimeter using premium stone fences and stunning DIY tire planter decorations. Tell me in the comments, where are you watching from? I'd love to know how far our studio has reached. One, the grand estate with Regal Tire Planters. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine a stately boundary, a stone fortress designed not for defense, but for dignity. Here, the rough-cut andesite pillars rise like ancient sentinels, their deep gray surfaces catching the morning light, perfectly framing the elegant scrollwork of black wrought iron. It speaks of enduring quality and quiet, inherited wealth. This strength is then met by a poetic contrast, the vibrant, ephemeral life of spring. Redbud trees are strategically placed, their striking purplish-pink blooms appearing directly on the bark, a momentary splash of royal color against the permanent stone backdrop. But the true artistry lies at the base. Recycled tire halves, objects of utility now redefined, are painted in a shimmering regal bronze and gold, transforming them into luxurious, tiered urns. These golden vessels cradle cascading purple petunias, their soft petals spilling over the black metal, creating a ribbon of saturated color. It is a visual dialogue, the timeless, grounding embrace of stone and the playful, hopeful rebirth represented by the gilded waste. It reminds us that grace can be found in permanence and in the simplest act of renewal. It's a boundary that whispers the history of the land and sings the joy of a new morning. Two, Zen Minimalist, stone slabs and wire mesh. Now, picture a boundary defined by quiet composure and clean lines. This is the Zen Minimalist approach. The base is not chaotic rubble, but perfectly set smooth Palamanan stone slabs, their creamy, pale surfaces reflecting the serene sky. Above this solid, grounding layer, the barrier softens into a taut grid of black matte wire mesh, a frame for the garden beyond, offering minimal visual obstruction. It is industrial efficiency merged with natural peace. Beside this refined structure, the elegant, branching silhouette of a Japanese maple offers its quiet wisdom, its deep crimson leaves providing the only dramatic color in an otherwise tranquil palette. Beneath its shade, the recycled is reborn in simplicity. Old tires, stripped of their dark history and painted in pristine, glossy white. These clean, stacked vessels are dedicated solely to the architectural beauty of nature, housing sharp, sculptural succulents and slow-growing cacti. They stand as monuments to endurance and self-sufficiency, requiring little yet offering immense texture. This design teaches us that beauty thrives in restraint, and that true peace comes from honoring the clean essence of every material. Three, Tuscan Sun, Terraced Stone and Herbal Tires. Let your mind drift to the warm, rolling hills of Tuscany and envision a fence that embraces the uneven terrain. This design uses template stone in a beautiful terracing pattern, where each layer of rugged, flat stone patiently follows the subtle slope of the earth. Above the stone, simple wrought iron bars provide a framework that doesn't compete with the dramatic landscape, but rather invites the eye to scan the horizon. The air here is sweetened by the promise of spring, carried by the fragrant, star-like blooms of the star magnolia, its compact form a perfect companion to the tiered wall. At the sun-drenched foot of the wall, utility is transformed into rustic charm. The retired tires are painted in a deep, earthy terracotta, a color that feels baked by the very sun it stands beneath. They are filled not with fleeting flowers, but with enduring, aromatic herbs like deep green rosemary and silvery lavender. Each tire becomes a silent keeper of scent, offering a gentle, calming fragrance that lifts the spirit. This boundary is more than a division. It's a sensory immersion, a quiet reminder that the most timeless beauty is often found when we work with nature's contours, not against them. Four, Coastal Calm, Whitewashed Pillars and Blue Tire Art. Close your eyes and feel the refreshing air of a seaside retreat, translated into stone and color. Here, the fence rises with an almost blinding serenity. Rough-hewn stone pillars are meticulously whitewashed or painted a soft ivory, instantly evoking sun-bleached stucco and coastal villas. The metalwork is a striking deviation from black. It's painted a deep, matte navy blue, reminiscent of the vast, open ocean. It provides the perfect, cool backdrop for the pristine white blooms of the dogwood trees, their delicate flowers adding a layer of sophisticated texture overhead. Down below, the recycled material brings a playful, artistic flair. Tire halves are creatively fashioned into bright, sculpted containers, painted in vibrant cerulean blue and bright aqua. These containers are hung or placed strategically, designed to hold the fiery splash of hanging red geraniums or petunias. The contrast is stunning. The cool, neutral stone is punctuated by the sharp, cheerful dialogue between the deep blue planters and the passionate red flowers. It's an arrangement that keeps the spirit light and the visual interest high, a reminder that a coastal sanctuary can be built anywhere, even at the boundary of your home, by embracing clean color and bold contrast. Five, Rustic Charm, Timber Accents and Flower Wheels. Take a breath and visualize the warmth of an old country cottage boundary. This fence embraces honest materials. The sturdy, irregular texture of natural stone pillars is softened and topped with thick, weathered Bankirai timber, providing a warm, dark cap. Below, the horizontal steel bars are thick and simple, emphasizing strength and clean lines without being overly decorative. Overhead, the presence of the dwarf crabapple is essential, showering the scene with masses of tiny pink blossoms in the spring and offering miniature, jewel-toned fruit in the quieter months. Grounding this rustic scene are the repurposed tire planters, used here to evoke the image of an old wagon wheel abandoned in a field. The tires are painted a soothing sage green, blending them seamlessly with the natural landscape. Placed slightly tilted, they become circular beds overflowing with cheerful, sprawling flowers like portulaca or marigolds. The visual message is one of gentle decay and abundant life. The robust stone, the aging wood, and the discarded rubber are all given new purpose as a beautiful stage for the garden's annual performance. It's a space that feels deeply rooted, welcoming, and endlessly charming. Six, the secret garden, low stone and climbing vines. Imagine leaning in close to a hidden world, a boundary designed to whisper secrets rather than shout dominance. This fence utilizes a low stone wall, perhaps just hip height, allowing the eye to easily travel over it, yet providing a solid foundation. The metalwork above consists of simple, tight vertical steel bars, allowing abundant light to flood the garden while still maintaining a gentle sense of separation. It's a design that beckons you forward. The soft purple-pink flowers of the nearby redbud tree serve as a delicate, natural drape over the wall, hinting at the mystery within. At the very foot of this wall, the creative use of reclaimed materials is most subtle and intentional. Tire rings, cut shallow and painted a dark, rich forest green, are discreetly placed to function as a nurturing base. They are filled with fertile soil and dedicated to the mission of fostering climbing vines and sprawling ground cover. This clever repurposing ensures that the vines, whether they are flowering clematis or edible beans, have the perfect launchpad to begin their ascent up the tight metal bars. This arrangement reminds us that the best foundations are often hidden, and that even the smallest barrier can be transformed into a pathway for lush, upward growth. Seven, Four Seasons Fence, dark stone and colorful blooms. Let us conclude by contemplating a boundary that promises beauty year-round. This design is built for privacy and permanence, utilizing a high, continuous wall of dark, irregular fieldstone, creating a powerful backdrop for everything planted near it. Only small, infrequent panels of simple black iron break the stone's dominance, functioning more as windows than as a barrier. The dwarf crabapple is the perfect neighbor, decorating the fence line with dense blossoms in spring, rich foliage in summer, and bright, persistent fruits that sparkle against winter snow. At the base of this powerful stone canvas, the recycled tires are transformed into works of art. Painted in a bold, matte black, they are then adorned with hand-painted geometric murals, simple triangles, stripes, or chevrons, in vivid, seasonal colors like saffron yellow, deep teal, and magenta. These sturdy, heavy-duty pots are used to grow dense clusters of colorful seasonal flowers and compact vegetables, creating a constantly changing display that celebrates every cycle of the year. This fence proves that a wall designed for lasting strength can also be the perfect stage for temporary, vibrant, and sustainable artistic expression, offering joy and discovery in every season. And there you have it. 7 breathtaking ways to transform your boundary from a simple fence into an aesthetic masterpiece. Remember, the true beauty lies not just in the materials, but in the intention, the care you pour into every stone and every recycled vessel. If you feel that same sense of peace and inspiration, please let me know by hitting the like button. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our daily dose of garden inspiration. Until our next journey into the beautiful world of home aesthetics, keep creating and keep blooming.